Hello guys, this is me Amani from the Coding Academy by Amani. Welcome to this series of C++ programming. Our C++ programming tutorial will guide you to learn C++ programming. So let's start by the introduction about C++. C++ is a multi-paradigm language. It supports at least 7 different styles of programming, so developers can choose any of the styles. It's also a general-purpose language. You can use C++ to develop games, desktop apps, operating systems, and so on. C++ language is also characterized by the speed. Like C programming, the performance of optimized C++ code is exceptional. Also, C++ programming language is object-oriented language. So, it's allowed you to divide complex problems into smaller sets by using objects. So, why to learn C++? After learning C++, it will be much easier to learn other programming languages like Java, Python, etc. C++ helps you to understand the internal architecture of a computer, how computer stores and retrieves information. C++ is a must for students and working professionals to become a great software engineer. It's very close to hardware, so you get a chance to work at a low level, which gives you a lot of control in terms of memory management, better performance, and finally, a robust software development. Also, C++ programming gives you a clear understanding about object-oriented programming. So, let's say it's one of the evergreen programming languages and loved by millions of software developers. If you are a great C++ programmer, then you will never sit without work, and more importantly, you will get highly paid for your work. C++ is the most widely used programming languages in application and system programming, so you can choose your area of interest of software development. Finally, C++ really teaches you the difference between compiler, linker, loader, different data types, storage classes, and variables type. So, in this video, we give you an introduction about C++ programming language, why to learn C++. In next video, we will start together coding C++ language. So, see you in the next video. Thank you so much for listening.